Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's also the day after election. I'm sure many of us are probably still dealing with our election hangovers yesterday from late nights, trying to figure out who won and everything. And wow, crazy night. So it's November 9th here, and nothing on the economic calendar today. But headline news is stock market's down. Surprise, surprise. If you were watching the election, you saw the Dow was down, and the Dow futures were showing negative 800. It did make its mark up a little bit this morning, but then since I was putting this report together, it did pull back to negative territory. So right across the board, pretty much everything's negative due to a Trump win today. As you'll see coming up pretty soon, a lot of money is going into the Treasury. The 10-year Treasury went from all the way down to about 1.71 yesterday, all the way up to now about 1.971. So a lot of money, investors' money, are going to Treasuries, the more conservative one. Also buying into like the Japanese yen, gold are another place where they're putting it into. So the stock market's taking the beating, and then of course here, as you can see, we're taking a huge beating here in the bond market here as a result here. So this is kind of, I would just say that this is, stock market may make a correction. It's not like the negative 800 waking up. It was right now when I were doing this report, it was about negative 12. So stock market might a little bit of a correction due to them pricing in a Hillary Clinton victory. So they were kind of set the stage for Hillary Clinton victory. So now they have to figure out where the pricing should be with the Trump victory. They may go through a little bit of a correction there. Bond market is definitely in a panic mode in the sense that all the money is going into treasuries versus mortgage-backed securities. So at some point you're going to see, you may see this down for a day or so here, but what you'll see is that when rationale comes around, you'll see that investors come in, buy at low. So this is basically an overbought position, and then you'll see investors kind of buy it up, and we'll probably get back closer to 200-day moving average. We obviously want to get above this 200-day moving average because, again, we haven't closed below a 200-day moving average in over a year, and if this continues, this will be the first time in a while since we've been down 2 days in a row under the 200-day moving average. Right now, we're about 42 basis points off, nearly a half a point. And pricing is what that translates. So that's a pretty big change. And as you can see around here, this is almost 100 points that we've dropped since then. So pretty big drop over the last couple weeks here. So hang in there, guys. I do think this is emotional, kind of like the Brexit. That was short-lived. You kind of went down a little bit further, I think, and then went sideways for a little bit, and then started gradually working its way back up. The markets were. So I think you'll kind of see probably another example like that with this. This is kind of like our Brexit, basically, because some polls were totally wrong. Just like the Brexit about the American vote, and now they're seeing it and acting and they're showing their surprise here. But meanwhile, investors are going to like it because now they can come in, scoop up things at a cheaper price, and make more profit that way. So let's go ahead and take a. So if you guys want more updates, today won't be a good day because I've got a training class I have to go to all day today, so I won't be able to really post updates throughout the day. But what I'll do is when I get back later in the day, I will just post all the updates that came up later in the day. But normally throughout the day, I usually post updates, what's driving the market, where the market's moving throughout the day. But today might not be as good. Just go ahead and follow me on Twitter, and then later tonight I'll probably post those up there. Okay, have a good evening, or have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And again, I guess hopefully your hangover will be short-lived. Take care. Bye-bye.